Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I am your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video must watch till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. How do you master your thoughts? Okay, so you might be thinking, if it were that easy, would not we all be thinking positive thoughts and feeling awesome and living great lives? Well, what if this mindset shift is simple, but not so easy, Hannah? It's not easy for you and for the majority of us. For one primary reason, most of our thoughts are automatic or beneath our awareness because we are dealing with the subconscious or unconscious. It's difficult to flip the script when we were obviously obvious to our we were working from a script. What that script says. This is one reason why working with a coach can be tremendously helpful. So that's what's beneath your awareness can be brought to the forefront. This empowers you to make deliberate decision and changes if you wish, rather than continue to operate in autopilot and keep wondering why you can't seem to make the progress you want. If you are not working with a coach, here's how you can start your own. First of all, number one, notice your thoughts. Okay, when we notice and became the observer of our thoughts, we immediately elevate our consciousness and are no longer unwriting participant of automatic thoughts and behaviors. Okay, and second, meet your thoughts with curiosity and kindness. Yeah, sometimes we actually feel ashamed or appalled by our thoughts. That's okay. We all do this because we are human. Rather than push your uncomfortable thoughts away, meet your thoughts with curiosity and kindness. For example, if you find that you are feeling bored, okay, or defiant or irritated, you might say to yourself, that's interesting. I wonder why I am feeling this way, rather than I should not be feeling this way because and of XYZ. Okay, and number third, notice what the people who spend time with talk about say about you. Okay, notice that what the people you spend time with talk about and say about you. Sometimes the thought we live with are not even our own. As Oscar Wilde was once quoted, most people are other people. Most people are other people. Their thoughts are someone else's opinions. Their lives are mimicry. Their passion are quotations. Our brain is like a sponge that soaks up our environment. When we soak our garbage, our brain generates more garbage. Notice the conversation around you, at the comments directed at you. Do you like the information that your brain is absorbing in this conversation? And yes, if you watch a lot of ads and reality TV, all that is also getting absorbed. Number four, reframe your thoughts. Reframe your thoughts. Instinct of I'm so lazy. Meet your thought with kindness. In this example, maybe it's more accurate to say, I need rest before I can complete this. Or how can I be inspired more? Or how can I find some motivations to complete this? How can I find some motivations to complete this? Okay, next, number five, practice. Reframing your thoughts might feel awkward or fake or exhausting, at first, but like any new muscles, we are strengthening our time. It will get easier and some point. It will become second nature. What we practice grows. Neuroplasticity means that our brain has the ability to always learn things, evolve, and grow. If we train, if we train like this, if we train it, so the saying old dogs can't learn new tricks old dogs can't learn new tricks does not apply here. The goal of mastering our thoughts is to see our thought with clarity, so that we can choose our action wisely. Okay, for example, if we meet the thought, the word is dangerous with curiosity, we might discover that we are truly in an unsafe environment and can't choose to change our situations. Can't choose can choose to change our situations. Or conversely, we might discover that this is an our generalizations based on one previous experience or something that we inherited passively from our family or origin. Choosing empowering and positive thought does not mean to ignore our problems or the reality of life. It means to be cautious of the thought looping in our brain and disrupt unhelpful patterns, or turning into an important message. Okay, unhelpful patterns or turning into an important message. Positive thinking also means that we choose to think about the solutions to our problems more positively, using our creativity and intuitions to generate better solutions and endless opportunities to create and live a life we love and live a life we love. Okay. Okay, I want you to imagine that you are looking at a fruit basket in front of you. Pick out the biggest, juiciest looking lemon from the basket. Next, reach for a cutting board and cut the lemon in wedges. As you do so, you see the lemon juice run out underneath the cutting board. You take the wedge of lemon and hold it up to your nose and smell the refreshing, fragrant citrus oil scent. You then stick the fleshy part of the lemon into your mouth. Then give the juicy pulp a nice squeeze with your mouth. As you are imagining this your mouth, if like mine is producing saliva, and your muscles around your face may be contracting, and perhaps you may have in swallowed the imaginary juice. You have just experienced your ability to shift your reality using your mind. This also happens when you have nightmares and wake up with your heart pounding and body in cold sweat, perhaps thinking about the death of a loved one or person, and move you to tears. I hope you all like this video of mine very much. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope all of you are that getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you are successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new spirit, with a new day, with a new happiness. Take care of yourself. Remember, be in your prayers. Remember, be in your prayers. Have a nice day, or goodbye, or don't forget to subscribe. So thinking about someone you miss deeply, you feel your chest a cave.